G'day folks, I'm down here at Brad's place playing with engines and having a bit of fun. I'm going to pick this one up, might even get it running before I get it home. He's just moving the other Corolla. This one here is what the engine came out of. We just bolted the front end assembly back together again and put the wheels on it so we can push it outside. Park brake's still on, but she moves, or will. Without the stub axles in them, those wheel bearings aren't doing much, so if the wheel does sort of come loose, it'll just be the brake caliper stopping it from falling off. You've got to be careful when you do that. You can't take the shafts out and then expect to move it around too much. It's a bit of a mess. It's got one of those gay little boy racer tacos, with the fake carbon fibre backing and the shift light. Neat steering wheel though, they're not bad. Gravity's slowly working. Gravity's working well now.
We ran over something.
Yep, crunch. Look, Marno engine. It'll kick like an angry mule.
Oh, ready to
Set pilot.
turn her off.
Which one do I turn it off?
What I'm holding.
Oh yeah, just pull it off. I think that was the last of it.
Yeah, you can see some coming out the return on the ship. Put that, maybe not pointing towards the exhaust. Put that just down here maybe, the return. Should actually jam it back to the seat, right? Give her if I had some sprayage.
Yeah, something else. Oh yeah, quite happy.
Yeah, done a full choke. I want to go, I got vacuum leak. Yeah, we didn't even bloody block off the booster line, so yeah.
No.
As I said, she's a good runner.
Yeah. Just tired.
Not a whiff of smoke though.
No, all I can smell is fuel.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Kill. Well, that'll be the master kill, I'd say, this time. Or that.
Yeah, pull one off.
Pull one off.
I'll see if it works after washing it though. Yeah.
Yeah, she might be kicking and splattering through a bit.
Yeah.
With that, oh yeah, there's one thing I should remove. That wouldn't be good. I might find a bolt and jam it.
PCV into, what was that?
Main vacuum.
Main back, yeah.
That would draw some oil out, I believe.
We have a diesel engine.
Let's see what this bitch does.
Yeah, lasts a long time off that one bowl.
How much was that bowl? 10 mil.
Yeah, it's just halfway up on the sight glass.
That's all I used out of the square, 10 mil.
Yeah. Magnificent.
That could run run for half an hour off this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how much fuel it's running off. Just that. We already ran it dry on the first test. Very good. Yeah, this is one of the new old stock Fujitas I gave Brad. We're using it as a heat pump, but unfortunately they lack the defrost function, so there's no, or tiny bit of air coming out of here, probably from air leaks past the coil, and that's just, yeah, the cardboard job's leaking, but yeah.
Pretty good. Yeah, remember everybody,
There's no heat coming out of here, so that's sort of wrong.
this unit lacks any features.
Yeah.
Like on or off or high or low.
And safety features too.
Yeah. It's just the way things should be.
Don't touch the wire that makes you jump. It's going to piss condensate when it thaws out. I think we can kill that one now. Still got refrigerant flowing through it.
You could hear that while it was running. It didn't change when you turned it off.
Poor thing.
Oh.
I'll have to clean up that rear end assembly and chuck it in one day.
Very soon.
Yeah.
Probably about a month away from doing that.
That's good. I'll give you a hand because it's so heavy.
Oh hell yeah. Freak.
Beautiful old German car. Beautiful. Now let's try a old bathroom lamp. I've got it standing inside an old brake piston at the moment so that the plasma builds up the top of it. Hopefully it'll blow the top off. That's what I wanted.
I like this micro. It doesn't fuck around.
We might try this one next. I'll clean it out first before we do that. It's dead. Right, let's try an 8-inch colour CRT. Hopefully it won't cut the neck off. I've got a grounding piece there, that's all. I don't know whether it'll work or not.
This worries me. There's some energy going somewhere.
I can see a few little sparks inside.
I don't really
There's
want
just so much steel in it, it's just going to absorb most of the energy.
Oh, she'll get hot and start doing bad things in this microwave. I'm not sure if I want to be standing on this side. Maybe we should put some tape on that door.
We could stop it momentarily.
Yeah, I think that may be a go.
Okay, let's tape the door shut.
Yeah, that was pulling some amps.
A blown photocopier fuser lamp. Just a giant halogen tube, 1100 watts. Just a nice little arc light effect. Almost like a xenon tube. Now it's just getting obscenely hot.